Yeah, do you like it? Okay, thanks for bringing it over. Do you like those cars? Can you say thank you, Nani, Papa? Say thank you to Nani and Papa. And the Nani? Yeah, they brought you these cars for your birthday.
You want to open it? Yeah. Okay. He's not going to want to go over to that sergeant's tonight.
I know.
Probably don't want to see Aubrey. This is Nani and Papa gave you this.
Yeah.
For birthday.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 2.
You are? Wow. You're a big boy for 2. Yeah.
Stop.
Is it a track?